Hey guys, so we got this in the background, kind of giving it a little bit of a showboat shot, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done to it. But at this stage, we're going to use this. So this is a something that's been on my mind and wanting to do for a while, and it's a dinosaur tutorial. And we're going to go through a couple dinosaurs. So this is the first bit, and the first one we're going to do is the traditional T-Rex. So we've got traditional T-Rex man. We changed the head a little bit, and then we went for the simple body and everything like that. Now, I know some of you are like going, why? Why not? Okay. The cool thing about this is that it really only takes 1, 2, 3 balloons to make, okay, minus the eyes here. It's going to be a little tricky on the beginning because we have to do the head, and that's going to be okay. So I do appreciate you guys joining me for this. I do appreciate your support and all this and everything like that. It makes me feel good that I'm doing something that you guys enjoy watching. So we're going to do 4 fingers. Okay. Then we're going to do a bubble. So we have that. I'm going to do 3 fingers. 3 fingers. I'm going to do a bubble. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, I'm going to go squeeze a little bit, soften it up. I'm going to go 4 fingers. And there we go. They call it the fly swatter stage. Okay, so we want another bubble, pinch twist. Get that pinch twist in there, okay? Then we're going to do 3 fingers. You really aren't going to need much, but 3 fingers. And then you're going to tuck it in. Okay? So technically this is the top of the snout, and this is the bottom. Go ahead and do a bubble and pinch twist that. So now you have that there. And then just really soften it up a bit. Down. Okay. And here. 4 fingers, 4 fingers. Now, you should have still a little give. Okay? And that's what you do. There you go. Now you're going to take second balloon. Got a little air out. Okay, and then we're going to make 2 pinch twists. Like that. Okay? Then you're going to go down about 3 fingers. Make a break. Okay. You want this to go out here, and you want this to go here. And we're going to make the arms. And I like 4 fingers. And a little bubble. Almost 2 fingers right there. Second matching bubble. You got them like that. Okay, so what you want to do now, and this will, okay, I did that off camera, I apologize. So what we want to do now is go 4 and 3, okay? Squeeze and twist. Then we're going to make a pinch twist at the bottom. And here is your tail, okay? If you find it's too filled with air, go ahead and break it off if you're afraid it might pop because it's too tight. Go ahead, but then you'll need to use a fourth balloon, okay? So we got that there. We're going to bring this up. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I had to think for a minute. Okay. Take third. If, like I said, if this was too tight, you could actually use the rest of this. So you won't need a fourth balloon. You can use the rest of this for the rest of the tail after you make his legs. Okay, so you actually can. You should actually end up with a piece about this long after you make his legs, because this is what the piece was left for the last one I did. So after you make his legs, so you won't need it. I apologize. So you can go ahead and make his legs, and if you find the end of the tail not as presentable as you thought, and you want it a little looser or a little more flexible or whatever, you can do that. Okay, this one came out that, and the reason why is because if you notice the original one, I made the neck a little too long, so that gave, I made the neck 3 fingers instead of 2 fingers. This one was 2 fingers, and then I made the body a little too long, so that was another 2 fingers too long. Okay, so if you stick with a 2-finger neck and then literally 5 fingers, no more on the back, no more than 5 fingers on the back, and that structure, you will end up with a tail this long and very flexible instead of a more stiffer tail right here, because you're adding at least 3 more finger lengths to that. Okay, so again, if it doesn't turn out right and you made a little bit longer, you can use the rest of this to make the tail a little bit more pliable. Okay, so with my T-Rexes, I like to have them kind of big hippie, big hip style. Match it up, so I measure it down to match it up, and then I go ahead and make that pinch twist there, literally 3 fingers, match it up, and then we're going to put a little bubble. And then, like I said, there's a, extra tail there if you really need to use that. So he's not so bad, is he? Pretty easy, pretty simple. Nothing like starting off the tutorial scene with the T-Rex. Here's a scrap white. And we blew it up about 4 fingers. And what I'm going to do is just pretty much split it in half. Do a pinch twist here. Bring this over. Pinch twist that there. Use this end piece that I have to help attach. And I'm going to go in between the eyes. Bring it down. Back up. And now your T-Rex has just big old cartoonish eyes. And we're going to just put big old round eyes on him. To me, I don't want him to be my traditional mean looking T-Rex. Okay. There you go. And he's just a really easy 3-balloon T-Rex that kind of gives a little bit more character and not the traditional, like, you know, you fold it up like this. So he has a little bit more character to him. Okay? Well, I do appreciate you hanging out with me today, and we got that T-Rex down. Stay tuned, because we got some more dinosaurs ready for you, and I hope you're going to enjoy them. Thank you very much. Don't forget to practice, 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 because as we all know, it's going to make you a great balloon twister. Bye-bye.